everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are heading to Isha Foundation to witness unveiling of Adiyogi in Bengaluru at Chikkaballapur, which is about 70 kilometers from the actual city. From Bangalore International Airport, it is around 37 kilometers. And that hill that you're seeing is Nandi Hills, which is on the Hyderabad highway. We are still 9 kilometers away from the ishayogacenter Bengaluru, and look at the traffic. From the highway deviation, Isha is about 7 kilometers inside. And it's almost 5:30 p.m. and the program is set to start by 6 o'clock. We are hoping to reach there soon. And people had to walk roughly about 3 to 4 kilometers because their allotted parking spot was too far. So Isha had arranged similar parking space at different kilometer range. There were also plenty of volunteers to guide the huge crowd. And finally reached Isha. We are at the parking and you can see Adiyogi Statue there. So let's go and attend the event. So luckily we got a place to park our car very nearby, and this is the backside view of Adiyogi. Seating was categorized based on the ticket pricing. Let us now go to our allotted seating. We have more than 1 lakh people
Adiyogi. So, what is the meaning of this spectacular face? Or not, to make possible as to how one can transcend the reptilian brain that enslaves us to… all of you have been waiting we will want the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, to unveil Adiyogi, but before that, there are a few people who are waiting to perform something for them. And will you stay alive or once in a way…
Thank you. Great honor and privilege to welcome our chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Basavaraj Bommai, the Honorable Minister for Health, Family Welfare and Medical Education, Dr. K. Sudha.
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed him some movement, he danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away. Only 7 seekers remained, as they could not tear themselves away from him. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment, offering his disciples access to the deepest innards of creation. In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision the sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed. Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi reveling in ecstatic states, said, "I want to have what you have. Show me the way." Adiyogi absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman. Seeing the splendor of this magnificent union, Ghanas, his constant companions, asked, "What about us?" Adiyogi said, "Just drink of me," which drove them into intoxicated raptures. Seven sages, the Saptarishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization. This spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority. Mahadevaya Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha.
Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam, Gagana Mangalam, Surya Mangalam, Chandra Mangalam, Jiva Mangalam, Jagata Mangalam, Deha Mangalam, Mano Mangalam, Atma Mangalam, Bhumi Mangalam, Agni Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam, Surya Mangalam, Chandra Mangalam, Jiva Mangalam, Jagata Mangalam, Deva Mangalam, Mano Mangalam, Atma Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam, Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu. Sarveshwaraya Kala Kala Kaleshwaraya Shiva Shiva Sarveshwaraya.
The traffic says it all, and we are done with the spectacular laser show at Isha. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you on my next episode.